Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you have a piece of furniture that's seen better days? Maybe it's a bit boring, a little outdated, but you know it has potential. Well, today, we're going to unlock that potential. I'm going to show you how to take a plain, forgotten piece and transform it into a stunning statement for your home, all on a budget. This is one of my favorite projects because it proves you don't need to spend a fortune to have a beautiful space. I found this old dresser at a thrift store. It's solid wood, which is amazing, but the finish is just blah. The hardware is dated and it doesn't have any personality. But we're about to change all that. The first and most important step is prep work. Don't skip this, I promise it's worth it. We'll start by giving it a good clean to get rid of any dust and grime. Then a light sanding is key. You don't need to strip it completely. Just scuff up the surface so the paint has something to grip onto. After sanding, wipe it down again to remove all the dust. Now for the fun part, paint. I've chosen this gorgeous deep green chalk paint. Chalk paint is fantastic for beginners because it's super forgiving and gives a beautiful matte finish. I'm applying the first coat with a good quality brush, using long, even strokes. Remember, 2 thin coats are always better than 1 thick, goopy one. While the first coat is drying, let's talk about hardware. I found these beautiful brushed brass handles online. New hardware is like jewelry for your furniture. It has a small change that makes a massive impact. Once the first coat is completely dry, we'll apply the second. Look at that rich color. It's already looking 1,000 times better. After the final coat has dried for a few hours, I'm going to seal it with a clear wax. This will protect the paint and give it a subtle, lovely sheen. Just apply it with a cloth. Let it sit for a bit and then buff it off. Finally, we'll install our new hardware. And here it is. Can you even believe this is the same piece? It went from a boring, overlooked dresser to a chic and beautiful focal point. The color is rich, the hardware is elegant, and it looks like a high-end designer piece. The total cost for this transformation was under $50. So next time you see a tired piece of furniture, I hope you see its hidden potential. If you enjoyed this makeover, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY and home projects. Let me know in the comments what you think of the final result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.